Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. Today, I'll be breaking down the pose Side Plank, also known as Vasisthasana. So if you want to learn how to get in and out of this pose, modifications and variations, and how to strengthen in this pose, come flow with me. There are a few different ways you can get into your side plank. The most common way is to get into it from your plank pose. So let's get into plank pose. Bringing your wrist and elbow underneath your shoulder, stacking the joints allows us to be strong. Tuck the back toes under, lift the knees, come into your plank. Now remember, you can always keep your knees down here. Press the heels back, rotate both heels to the left, inhale the right arm high. Again, if you need to bring your knee down, go ahead and bring it down. Wherever you are, hug the belly button up and in, engage your core, and again, keep your wrist, elbow, and shoulder all in one line, stacking those joints. Lift your hips up and don't let them sink down. You can extend your right fingertips overhead for a stretch in the right side of your body here. Exhale the right palm down, bring your knees down, find your child's pose. Let's try on the opposite side. I'll do it from my knees this time so you can see how to transition. So coming into your plank pose with your knees down, engage the core, extend the left leg back, and then rotate your heels to the right. Inhale the left arm up. Again, keeping that core engaged and lifting the hips here. Don't let them sag down, lift your hips. This is where your obliques work really hard. Again, you can extend your left fingertips overhead for a long stretch in the left side of your body. Exhale the left palm down, knees down, sink back into your child's pose. Now, one of the common complaints when it comes to plank or side plank is wrist pain. So if you have any wrist injuries or just weaker wrists for whatever reason, you can always go onto your forearm. I'll show you how that's done here. You can come into your plank again and lower onto your forearms. Still keeping that elbow right underneath the shoulder, stacking the joints, hugging the belly button up and in, and then rotating the heels, inhaling the right arm high. And you can hinge your elbow in here, bringing your fist right underneath. Again, lift through the hips. Exhale and lower. Let's go to the opposite side. Heels to the right, left arm lifts. Squeeze your fist so you're taking the work out of your elbow. Exhale, come back to center. And this can be done from the knees too. So coming into a forearm plank on your knees, engage the core, rotate the heels to the left, inhale, right arm up. Coming back to center, exhale to the opposite side. Inhale the left arm up. Exhale, come back to center and find your child's pose. So there you have it. Side plank can be pretty simple, but very, very effective. You're working the obliques on one side and stretching the opposite side. The key is to engage the core, keep the hips lifted, and make sure that your arm is aligned. This will give you your strongest side plank. here's what a side plank might look like thrown into a vinyasa. So say you start at the top of your mat in a forward fold. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to your plank. Inhale, rotate your heels to the right and lift the left arm up. Exhale, back to center. Inhale to the opposite side. Exhale, back to center, lower down halfway. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Exhale your knees down, find child's pose. I hope you found this video helpful. Practicing side plank regularly is sure to give you nice and strong obliques, shoulders, and arms. If you enjoyed this pose breakdown, please be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new pose breakdowns. Let me know in the comments below which pose you'd like me to break down next. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.